Easy steps to a perfect shower routine. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something we all do every day but might not always give much thought to, our shower routine. Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, having a consistent shower routine can help you feel refreshed and ready to tackle the day. So let's dive right in. Shower routine serves as a fundamental aspect of personal hygiene. Regular showers remove dirt, bacteria, and sweat from the body, preventing unpleasant odors and reducing the risk of skin infections. By cleansing the skin thoroughly, showers also help to maintain clear and healthy skin, minimizing the occurrence of acne and other skin conditions. Beyond hygiene, a shower routine offers a valuable opportunity for relaxation and self-care. The warmth of the water and the soothing scents of shower products can have a calming effect on both the body and mind. This can be particularly beneficial after a long, stressful day, providing a moment of respite and rejuvenation. Taking the time to indulge in a shower routine allows individuals to prioritize their well-being and practice self-love. Establishing a shower routine is very important as it fosters self-care habits, boosts self-esteem, and prepares individuals for the day ahead. Let's start. Preparation. Before stepping into the shower, ensure you have all the necessary items within reach. This includes your favorite shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, loofah or washcloth, razor, if shaving, and any other products you typically use. Having everything within reach will make your shower routine much smoother. Temperature adjustment. Now let's talk about water temperature. While it might be tempting to crank up the heat, especially on a cold morning, it's essential to find a temperature that's comfortable for you. Adjust the water temperature to your preference. Most people enjoy warm water as it helps to relax muscles and open pores. However, the temperature should be comfortable for you, so adjust accordingly. Lukewarm water is usually the best bet, as it helps to cleanse your skin without stripping away its natural oils. Hair care. Next up, hair care. Start by wetting your hair thoroughly with warm water. This helps to open the hair cuticles, allowing for better penetration of products. Next, apply a quarter-sized amount of shampoo to your palm. Rub your hands together to create a lather, then apply the shampoo to your scalp. Using your fingertips, gently massage your scalp in circular motions. This not only cleanses the scalp, but also promotes blood circulation, which can help with hair growth. Rinse the shampoo out thoroughly, ensuring no residue is left behind. If you use conditioner, apply a generous amount from mid-length to the ends of your hair. Use a wide-tooth comb or your fingers to distribute the conditioner evenly. Let it sit for a few minutes while you continue with the rest of your shower routine. This allows the conditioner to deeply moisturize and detangle your hair. After a couple of minutes, rinse out the conditioner with lukewarm water. It's essential to rinse thoroughly to prevent any residue that may weigh down your hair. Body cleansing. Take your loofah or washcloth and wet it under the shower stream. Apply a generous amount of body wash onto your loofah or directly onto your skin. Choose a body wash that suits your skin type and preferences, whether it's moisturizing, exfoliating, or fragrance-free. Starting from your neck and working your way down, gently scrub your entire body in circular motions. Pay attention to areas prone to sweat, such as underarms, groin, and feet. Rinse off the body wash thoroughly, ensuring no residue is left on your skin. Face care. Don't forget about your face. Wet your face with warm water to open up your pores. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of facial cleanser onto your fingertips and rub them together to create a lather. Gently massage the cleanser onto your face using circular motions, paying extra attention to areas with dirt, oil, or makeup buildup, such as the forehead, nose, and chin. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, making sure to remove all traces of the cleanser. If you're using a facial scrub or exfoliator, apply it after cleansing and gently massage it onto your damp skin in circular motions. Focus on areas prone to dryness or roughness, but avoid the delicate eye area. Rinse off the scrub completely and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Now, let's talk about some optional steps you can add to your shower routine. Shaving. If you shave in the shower, this is the time to do it. Apply shaving cream or gel to the areas you plan to shave and use a sharp razor to shave in the direction of hair growth. This is to make sure to avoid irritation. Body scrub. If you want to exfoliate your skin further, use a body scrub after cleansing your body. Apply the scrub in gentle circular motions, focusing on rough patches of skin like elbows, knees, and heels. This practice will leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Final rinse. Before you hop out of the shower, make sure to give yourself a final rinse to ensure all products are washed away. Stand under the shower stream and rinse your entire body thoroughly to ensure all products, including shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and exfoliants, are completely washed away. Once you're all rinsed off, pat yourself dry with a towel and get ready to moisturize. Moisturize. After patting your skin dry with a towel, apply a moisturizer to your body while your skin is still slightly damp. Choose a moisturizer that's suitable for your skin type, paying extra attention to dry areas like elbows and knees. And don't forget to moisturize your face too. Keeping your skin hydrated will help it look and feel its best. This helps to lock in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. If you have specific skincare concerns, such as acne or dryness, apply any additional treatments or serums to your face before moisturizing. Also, don't forget to apply a moisturizer or aftershave to any areas you shaved to soothe and hydrate the skin. Hair care if applicable. Towel dry your hair gently, being careful not to rub it too vigorously, as this can cause damage and breakage. If you use any leave-in conditioner, hair oil, or styling products, apply them to your hair according to the product instructions. Allow your hair to air dry naturally or use a blow dryer on a low heat setting if necessary. Final touches. After completing your shower routine, put on clean clothes and begin or end your day feeling refreshed and clean. Additional unique tips for your shower routine. Use a shower caddy or organizer to keep your shower essentials organized and easily accessible. Consider using a shower mirror to make shaving or facial cleansing easier. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and keep your skin smooth. Hang a waterproof Bluetooth speaker in your shower to enjoy music or podcasts while you shower. Use a shower cap to protect your hair when you don't want to wash it. Keep a spare set of towels and a robe near the shower for easy access. And there you have it, guys. That's our shower routine for teens. Remember, everyone's skin and hair are different, so feel free to adjust this routine to suit your needs. By following this detailed shower routine, you can ensure that you thoroughly cleanse and care for your hair, skin, and body, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated.